Okay, it's 38 degrees here, or thereabouts, maybe a little bit colder. Turn the old SuperDuty truck on here. Let it go through a glow plug cycle. And it says wait, turn it off. Let it go through another glow plug cycle here. She's cold. Got the clutch pushed in. Waiting on the glow plug light. She comes right to life. PTO engaged. Go back here. Grab the first control. Slide the bed back. Slide just like it's supposed to. First tilt. There's the tilt on the front machine. Notice she's sticking the ass end up off the ground, and she slides all the way. There she goes. You can see the old truck in here. It's got good rubber on it. These little nylon blocks need to be replaced. They're $30 or $40 a piece. And some other little accessories from Kilar. You see her in the truck there. She ain't no beautiful thing, but she runs good. And let's see here. Somebody wanted to see an engine on the old boy. Make a little noise, feeling on the belt. She's got good batteries in her. The battery harness has been redone, and everything is right on that top end of this critter. She is a hoss cat. We'll pull down the road. She's just ugly. Ugly. Man, I've let the sticker get out on the thing, so I got to get the sticker renewed. I can do that. Headache rack, slider, all that good stuff. We'll slide the bed back forward. We're sliding the bed forward. We get the little decals here replaced so that somebody doesn't know about it. We know how to tilt the bed, what controls do what, and all that good stuff. Now we slide her all the way forward. Now, we don't have a stinger on. We've got a hydraulic jack back here. You can see she extends out half a damn mile. We can take her, push down, and pick the old truck up off the ground. No problem at all. And if you get hung in a mud hole, well, that's a pretty damn good way to get out too. It'll do all right for you. And she slides back here. And of course the one in the middle is the winch. I ain't gonna play with the winch right now. So there's the video of the truck.